So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing us how to make use of this powerful sell concept. Okay, whenever we see this buy candle, okay, this candle will give us a signal to be able to sell in the market, and that is why you can see that we are in this sell trade here already. Okay, so I'm going to be walking us through a multiple time frame analysis so that we'll be able to know how to take and enter a trade whenever we see this particular candle forming on either the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if you know how to carry out multiple time frame analysis, then whenever we spot this particular type of candle here on this particular time frame, then definitely it will be a good opportunity for us to enter this trade. Okay, so the first thing we'll notice is that market has been selling. Okay, this sell here gives us an idea that market is selling, and whatever decision we want to be making in this market will either go for a sell. Okay, but we can see now that market is trying to make like a little retracement here. Okay, remember that we are on boom 1000 index, and one of the beauty of trading the boom 1000 index market is that the market doesn't spike, unlike the boom 500 index market. Okay, if you notice, the boom 500 index market usually have a spike on an average. Okay, but on the boom 1000 market, the spike doesn't occur that much. Okay, and that is why mostly I do trade the boom 1000 index. But as we all know that the boom 1000 index is also highly volatile. If you look at the volatility of boom 1000, you can see here that it is highly volatile. Okay, compared to boom 500 index, that is not as volatile as the boom 1000 market. Okay, but in spite of the volatility of the boom 1000 index market, we want to take advantage of the fact that whenever it starts trending, then we'll be able to take either a buy or a sell in the market. Okay, so the first thing we notice before we'll be able to make use of this strategy is to be able to draw our zone. Okay, so we are going to draw our red zone here, and our zone gives us an idea of where price is actually playing around. Okay, so the first thing we'll notice here is that market actually respected this red zone here, and that was why we saw that market actually sold from this zone. Okay, and then market actually came back to this zone and broke out of it. Now, if market was to continue upward, then definitely market shouldn't have come back inside of this zone. Okay, because market was supposed to have broken out and then made a retest back to this zone here, and then market should have continued buying upward. Okay, but we saw that market broke out here and then market sold inside back. Okay, and then this is like the retest now that will help us to push price downward. Okay, so this is like the retest now that will help us to push price downward, and if you notice, you can see that we are in the inline of this particular trade. Okay, so this trade is still going in our favor. Okay, so market is only trying to retest and then start selling, and that is why we have the confidence to be able to take this trade for a sell. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to do whenever we see an opportunity like this. We want to make sure that the market is actually going in the direction in which we want to be trading. Okay, remember, this was like yesterday's candle for a sell, this was also a sell, this also a sell, this also a sell. So definitely this candle is a sell candle. Okay, but market is just making a retracement back to this zone to retest it. Okay, definitely market is not going to break out again. Okay, if market should have broken out, it would have broken out, retested here, and then start buying. Okay, but market has bought down, or rather sold down inside this zone, and then is making a retest. Okay, so after doing this our analysis here on the daily time frame, remember this is the daily time frame. Okay, what we want to do now is to check if we can see any liquidity level. Okay, now one of the ways we'll be able to identify liquidity in the market is either we make use of the daily time frame to identify our liquidity, or we make use of the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm just going to show us our liquidity level here. before we jump down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so our liquidity level here will be this particular candlestick here. Okay, so for our liquidity level, we are going to be making use of this particular week. Okay, so liquidity is where stop loss have been placed in the market. Remember, after sellers entered this market here and sold here, their stop loss were above this particular wick here, this tiny wick here. Okay, so what market is actually doing now is to retrace now to take out all the stop loss and all the liquidity level here, and that is what market is doing. So we are going to draw out this liquidity level and then go to our 4-hour time frame. Okay, so that we'll be able to see how market is actually playing out. So I will just draw this liquidity level here now. So this is where market actually took out all the stop loss of the sellers, okay, in the market. So we are just going to highlight this particular level here for our liquidity level. Okay, so if we notice here, you notice that market has taken out this liquidity, and then if we jump to the 4-hour time frame now, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see where this liquidity was actually taken. Okay, remember, there were sellers here that sold this market. Now market is trying to retrace back and has taken out liquidity. All right, so and then after market has taken out liquidity, okay, the next thing we want to do is to make sure that this liquidity that has been taken has actually tapped into our order block. So after market took out this liquidity, we want to find the order block that market is actually turning from. Okay, so if we go back in time past, we'll be able to see that there was actually a particular order block. If you can look closely here, you see that there's an order block here. So I'm just going to modify this red zone here and actually draw my red zone to be able to capture the order block here. So you're able to see that this particular market is actually retesting this order block level. So you can see that market is actually testing this order block level. Okay, so after market has taken out liquidity here, you can see that market is actually tapping into our order block here. This was the order block. Okay, so what we want to see on the 4-hour is to see the market has taken this liquidity here, and then market is actually selling now. Okay, so if you are not able to identify the liquidity level, what you want to do is go back to the daily. As usual, you can see that this daily here was able to take out this particular liquidity here on this particular time frame. Okay, so that will be able to help us to spot that level. And then if you look closely now, you'll be able to see that market is actually shifting the zone here. Okay, market is actually shifting the zone for a sell. So you can see that our candlestick pattern, although this is like an early entry here for a sell, okay, but this is like an aggressive entry. Okay, and that is why we want to enter on time, so that should in case price is not going on our favor, we will know what next to do. But you can see that like a pin bar candlestick is about to form on this 4-hour time frame. Okay, so guys, if this pin bar candlestick is going to form successfully, then definitely this will be a very strong sell. Okay, and then if we go to like the 1-hour time frame, guys, on the 1-hour time frame, we see that an engulfing candlestick pattern is forming. Okay, so this gives us a strong reason for us to be in this trade. Okay, so if market should close with this engulfing, okay, remember this red candlestick covers completely this blue candlestick. Okay, so this is like an engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, so if this market should close with a sell, guys, then definitely we are going to be rocking this sell all the way down. Okay, so this is how we want to position ourselves in this market. Already we've been able to put our stop loss and our take profit in place. Okay, so whatever the outcome of this trade is, guys, we have a 90% success rate of price going in our direction. Okay, so this is how we want to make use of the multiple time frame and also to position ourselves in the market for this sell. Okay, so guys, definitely we don't expect price to start going upward all the way up. Okay, but rather we expect price to come down because the direction of this market is a downtrend. Okay, so guys, definitely you want to use this concept whenever you want to analyze the market. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Okay, and also do well to share this video so that other traders can get access to this strategy. Okay, you can also leave a comment in the comment description of this video letting me know what concept you want me to explain for you guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Definitely I'll see you in my next trading video. So cheers, guys.